Hello everyone, this is Falguni Zaveri again from Karma Healing. Today I am here again to do the week's reading for the week starting from 12th of July, that is Monday, till the 18th of July, that is Sunday. So 12th is the Monday and 18th is the next week Sunday. So let's go ahead and see how your week is going to be. The week that starts from the 12th till the 18th. Also, as usual, like I always tell you, please go ahead and like and subscribe to my YouTube channel and ring that bell icon that is on there. That way I will be seeing new subscribers and people watching new videos, and I will feel happy and encouraged to do more videos. Also, I am on Facebook as well as on Instagram, so please go ahead and like my page there too. So let's go ahead and start with our reading, and this again is the reading for 12th of July, that is Monday, till the 18th of July, that is the Sunday. So let's go ahead and start with the first sign, and that is the sign Aries. Three cards for Aries. For the people born under the sign of Aries, the week is going to be good. In fact, you are going to see financial progress where your relations are concerned. You are going to meet your family. You are going to meet your new friends. There is going to be get-together. So there is going to be a lot of, you can say, enjoyment, celebration in the family also. But with this celebration comes also a little bit of argument, people whom who do not like your progress or something. So there are few people in everyone's family whom you have to face. So there you will be facing those kind of people around you at that time and this week. But if you see your week relationship wise also, I see it growing. Money wise also it's good because I see money coming. Also health, I don't see any problem with your health, so health is good. Only you have to be careful with the people who might give you a little bit of worry, tension, your end there kind of a thing. So you might have to kind of fight them emotionally, or just let them be and mind your own business. So that's for Aries. Now we'll go ahead and do Taurus. So I'm going to do 3 cards for Taurus. Quick 3 cards for Taurus. 1, 2, 3. Let's see what, okay. Universe has something good store for everyone for the next week. But I also do see celebration for Taurians. I see either you'll be taking a new car, new house, anything new, something that will come in your life to celebrate. So celebration is definitely there. Plus, it is a card where your financial thing is concerned. If I say where your card is concerned, it's something that how much you will give, you'll get kind of a thing. So it's nothing like you are not going to get it, or there is no finance coming this week. It will come, but it all depends on you, how hard you're going to work. Also, there is something coming your way, kind of a thing that has a lot of value, okay, that has a lot of you can say something that you have been waiting for so long, where finance is concerned. So there is some kind of treasure or some kind of inheritance or something that I see coming. But this comes also through a person who is very stubborn, very egoist. So this week, if you see, there might be also a person coming in your life who is like a very egoist person, a very stubborn person. But with that, it is going to bring you a lot of inheritance, a lot of finances concerned. Yes, I do see a little bit of problem with the peace because of the nature of that person. But then it is going to give you a lot of advantage in long run. So where relationship are concerned, that week is going to be good because I see celebration. Plus where finance is concerned, yes, your finance is going to be good, and it is going to be in your hand. Plus you are going to get something coming your way from maybe ancestral property, or maybe inheritance, or somewhere, you know, unexpected kind of a thing. And where health is concerned, I don't see any major health issue. Yes, you have to be little careful where your health is concerned. So not careful, it's just that the stress that you are taking needs to come down. So once your stress comes down, your tension comes down, your week is going to be super. So Gemini, 3 cards for Gemini people. Cards for Gemini. For the Gemini people, I have more of relationship cards, so I think this week is going to be more of relationship. The value of relationship is going to increase. You might come in contact with people who will make you feel better. Maybe a new relationship is going to get tied up for the people, Gemini people. You know, you are going to meet your life partner maybe, or the person whom you get along very well and who's going to be very, very helpful in the journey of your life. So relationship wise, this week is very, very good for you. Where your finance is concerned, I do see a way. So I do see a travel related to work coming your way. Also there will be a little bit of finance kind of a thing where you have to do adjustment where your finance is concerned, you know, a little bit of juggle where your finance situation is concerned. So but definitely there is a short travel, or maybe a short distance travel related to work that you might do. Relationship wise, this week is going to be very good for you. And if I see the health is also going to be well. I don't see any issues coming in health in the week. Now we'll go ahead and do Cancer. Let's see what Cancer people cards has to say. 3 cards for Cancer. For the Cancer people, again, the cards are good. I don't see a bad card. In fact, I see a card. I see a fertility card. So, you know, somewhere people who are trying, or people who are expecting, you know, it's a very good week for them. You know, they will get some good news coming in the week. Good announcement, good news, whatever they are waiting for. Plus it is also a week where you are going to meet a lot of people, you know, your old generation, like your grandmother, grandfather, and all those people. You all are going to get together and have some good time. Also there are chances that there is finance, money coming from somewhere. There might be, you know, sudden gain of money, or there might be someone who will get the money for you, the least expected, you can say. Also you are going to come and or maybe surrounded by people who are a little you know, like stubborn or ego, the person who has ego, who don't listen to anyone kind of a thing, who has their own point of view all the time. But that is a minor issue, you know, that can be taken care of. In if you see your cards, it is the cards of celebration, enjoyment, meeting people. So very good week for you guys, and it is going to be a very happy week for you. Where your finance is concerned, it is a normal, I see, you know, not a gain or not a loss, but yes, a relationship gain is seen in the cards. So relationship wise, yes, this week is going to be really nice for you people. Now we'll go ahead and do Leo. Quick 3 cards for Leo. For the people under the sign Leo, this week is going to be okay week for you, because there is a lot of things going in your life right now that is affecting your mood, affecting your you know, day-to-day life. So there is a little bit of moment of sadness that is coming your way, but do not worry, because there are people to support around you. There are your parents, there are your elders, there are your uncles whom are who are there to surround and support you. So you don't have to worry at all. You just have to be careful this week to maintain, you can say, maintain your thing by doing, like, keeping your tension a little bit on the lower side, plus trying to stay happy, balance it, you can say. Somewhere you need to balance yourself, balance your emotions, balance your work, balance your day-to-day life. The help is definitely coming your way, and there will be people to support you, but you yourself have to come out of it and try to stay happy. Also, just be very, very careful from anything coming, like a court case or something that is in the going, or maybe something that is still not done, where your court case is concerned or something. It might be coming this week, so just pay attention to those kind of cases too, regarding the court case or anything case that is pending or that is going to come. So this week is going to be okay. Health wise, I don't see any problems. Finance will be okay. You just have to take care of yourself, your health. Health also, I don't see major health issues, but yes, you have to take care of your depression and try to stay happy. Now we are going to go ahead and do Virgo. So let's see what the 3 cards for Virgo people. For the Virgo people, I see a good week. Relationship wise, I see something coming in your life in this week. I see some good relationship coming in your life. I see, you're going to meet new people, build a new relationship. Least expected people are going to come in your life, and it is going to be a wonderful week where relationship is concerned. There is also something that you have been waiting for, maybe a promotion or maybe an answer that you need from someone that is waiting to come. So that is still showing a wait, so you might have to wait. This week is not the week that you will get it. Also, investments or anything that you have kept and have been expecting coming this week is not possible this week. You will have to wait. But in general, if I see the cards for Virgo people, relationship wise, it's very superb card. Finance is okay, it is the way it is going. Health is also okay. I don't see any problems where your health is concerned. So it is going to be a good week where relationship is concerned for Virgo people. Now we'll go ahead and do Libra. So let's go ahead and do 3 cards for Librans. With 3 cards for Librans, I see a lot of relationship cards. So basically, they need to concentrate on the relationship this week. I do see them moving forward when new relationships are concerned, or making new friend circle, or maybe making a person who is maybe wanting to get married, or maybe who is waiting for a girlfriend or a boyfriend. I do see a moment coming this week, so there is a forward moment. But this week also shows you to balance your life, balance your emotions, and be very careful in making the final decision. So that you have to be very, very careful where your finance is concerned, your health is concerned. Don't overdo this week. Also, you are the person who are very, very satisfied, and you will be very satisfied in fact this week, because you are seeing somewhere that whatever money or whatever investment, even in the relationship or anywhere you have done, you have that sure thing that it is safe and sound, and it's not going to go anywhere. So this is related to the money you have. Maybe you have kept it in the investment, so you are going to feel very safe this week. Relationship also, you know, people who have that relationship, that okay, this person is going to be with me, and you know, you are happy about it and you are safe. So that is what you're going to feel this week. So mostly in relationship, yes, Librans, this week revolves around relationship most of the time. Finance will be the same as it is. Health also looks fine. Just have to balance. Don't take too much stress. And like I told you, relationship is going to revolve around relationship for Librans this week. Now let's go ahead and do Scorpio. Quick 3 cards for Scorpio. For the people, Scorpio people, just this week you have to be very careful in whatever you do, because you have been lost, you know. So this week is going to little difficult for you, but nothing to worry about. It's just that you have to make your decision, think and make your decision, see around, look around, and then, you know, go ahead with whatever you are doing. I mean, this is the final thing that you are doing, because sometimes you are not seeing things that are wrong, or people who are wrong around you. So this week is the week where you might tend to make wrong decisions. So just be very careful about it. Also, there are a lot of things that this week may give you is like an illusion. Maybe you get to see a good picture, a long run picture, that you might get this or you might get that, but that is not the real picture. Go behind the whole thing, the whole story, and then come to a final decision. Where the money is concerned, yes, you have to be a little careful about your money or a money loss, or maybe don't invest in the wrong things this week. The week is okay for the Scorpions. Just be very careful. If I see it is a okay week, you just have to be very careful with the people around you and do not make wrong decisions. Now we'll go ahead and do Sagittarius. Three cards for Sagittarius. For the people born under the sign Sagittarius, I do see again quite good relationship cards. So this week is going to be a very good for relationship. If the people who are looking for life partners, or who are into a relationship, I see the relationship getting better. The understanding between the husband or the wife, the couple, is going to be more. They're going to come more close to each other and understand each other very well this week. Also, your week revolves around relationship this week. Also, where finance is concerned, you are very satisfied with whatever you have, and you have saved enough. So basically you are not wanting to go out and work, or earn more somewhere. So this is the week where it is going to make you feel that I have earned enough, I do not need money. But that is something that is an illusion. So you need to understand that this week is going to show you a lot of good things. But where finance is concerned, it is necessary for you to look into it, go out and work, because whatever has been invested is not going to last forever. But yes, relationship is going to be very good and very nice this week for Sagittarius people, because there is a growth in relationship. I can see health is good. I don't see any problems with the health. Yes, finance, you have to work hard and move towards more progress. That is the lesson that you need to learn this week. Otherwise, relationship is very good for Sagittarians. Now I'm going to go ahead and do Capricorn. 3 cards for Capricorn. Okay, for the people born under the sign Capricorn, I do see a little bit of emotions, little bit of confusion coming this week. It is going to be a little difficult for you to make a final decision. You will be confused where if I should do this or if I should do that, you know. So that confusion is going to stay with you this week. The card is suggesting that you donate something or do some donation this week that will help you to progress ahead. And also it is showing you that you are not thinking right. I mean to say, where, you know, try to think you know, the way others think, you know, according to like what the other people is thinking, kind of a thing. It is something that this week is like, you know, you are going to be self-centered. You are not going to listen to anyone. You are just going to like, you know, I am right all the time kind of attitude is going to come to you this week. So just stay a little bit away from that kind of attitude and see and your people who are trying to tell you the right things, and then move ahead this week. And because as it is, you know, this week shows a little bit of confusion that is created for you, so it is better that we take advice from other and that move ahead in our lives this week. Others relationship looks fine, your finance condition is fine, and it will improve this week if you donate something or you know, feed the poor people. There will definitely be a change, you will see. And health wise also, I don't see any problems. So this week is going to be okay for the Capricorns. Now we'll go ahead and do Aquarius. 3 cards for Aquarius. Okay, so people who are born under the sign Aquarius, I do see some loved ones coming in your life. I definitely see, you know, people getting hooked up this week, you know, some good proposal coming your way, and some new relationship building this week. And you know, it is going to be blessed kind of a thing. So it is a really good week where the relationship are concerned, also where because it's a relationship a major relationship card that has come this week, I would suggest Aquarians to be very, very careful also when going ahead with a relationship, to see, check, understand, feel and talk to that person before moving ahead into a relationship. It's not just marriage or any kind of love relationship. It can be relationship with brother or sister, or any kind of relationship, you can say. Where finance is concerned, I do see money coming your way. It is going to be a good week where money, you know, where money is coming, a sudden money might show up your way. There will be you know, people who has taken money from you just coming forward and giving you the money, saying okay, I had taken money from you during this bad situation, so use your money. So something that is a sudden you know, money that you will see coming to you this week. So where the health is concerned, I don't see any problems coming related to your health. Relationship also, I told you it's a good week for relationship. You just need to look properly, understand properly, and then move ahead. Financially also, it's a good week for you. Now we'll go ahead and do Pisces, and this is the last sign, Pisces. Let's pull 3 cards for Pisces. Okay, for the people born under the sign Pisces, the week is going to be really okay. There is again you know, a little confusion that is showing your week, or there is some it's nothing to get scared about, but I do see a little bit of trouble coming your way for the Pisces people. A change of location, a sudden change of a place due to some you know, problems coming your life. So there is a sudden change that is showing next week for you people, so just be ready for it. Also there is a lot of confusion, there is a lot of emotions, you know, and there is a lot of clearance of something that is needed, you know. So that idea, that thought is going to come to you this week, where you will think that what have I done and what I have to do in the future, kind of a thing. So that kind of confusion, that kind of thought is going to be coming, you know. So it's going to be a mixed feeling. It might make you think to do something bad, and then you say no, I'm a person who cannot do anything bad. So that all that confusion and all that confusing feeling is going to come to you this week. Also where health is concerned, Be very, very careful, Pisces people, where your leg is concerned, because there are chances that you might hurt your leg. Any part of your leg, maybe a fracture, maybe you can say you hurt your toe, or anything related to the leg, or maybe a severe leg pain might come up. So just be very careful where your legs are concerned. So if you see, for the Pisces people, health, be very careful where your legs are concerned. Your health, you need to take care. Plus, where your relationship are concerned, there is nothing much to worry about. Yes, finance might get troubled a little bit here and there, because I do see a sudden change, a sudden move actually coming, and not for a good cause. So you just have to be a little careful and be strong this week. Everything is just a week, and the days will pass by, and it shouldn't be that bad for you guys. Okay, so that's it for now. We are done with the card reading for the week, and that is for 12th of July till the 18th of July 2021. And like I always tell you, please do like, subscribe my YouTube channel, and click on the bell button. Also, I am on FB and Instagram, so please go ahead and do like my page there. So till next week, I'll come with more videos. Of course, I always post my videos in a week on Thursday or Friday again. So it will be coming, a next video will be coming. But till then, stay blessed, stay positive, and as always, I love you.